Thanks, Lauren. Shelby County commissioners are using a new judicial appointment as a way to fight the escalating domestic violence problem. Fox 13's Teely Devereaux is live in the studio to explain. Teely?
Melissa, in 2 weeks, commissioners will appoint a replacement for General Sessions Judge Anthony Tony Johnson, who died unexpectedly at his home a week ago. Johnson was a judge since 1976. Commissioners have a specific plan from whoever takes over for him. They want the new judge to only hear domestic violence-related cases.
With a vacancy in General Sessions Court, county commissioners voted Monday to create a domestic violence-only docket for the Division 10 appointment.
We have a precedent. We know that this works. We know that a dedicated domestic violence court works.
Commissioner Mike Carpenter says it's been years since Shelby County had a judge whose court was solely committed to hearing domestic violence cases. He says domestic homicides doubled last year, and it's time to bring the idea back.
What it does do is it holds the offenders more accountable, and it provides efficient, effective justice for the victims.
Not everyone agrees. Some of Carpenter's colleagues question the timing and legality of limiting the court's cases.
I'm not opposed to it. I'm just thinking that we're moving a whole lot way too fast on this item.
We are the legislative body. We are not the judicial body.
We have a rash of domestic violence cases.
Commissioner Steve Mulroy, also a law professor at the University of Memphis, says what they're asking is candidates to tell them up front in their application a willingness to hear domestic violence cases. Mulroy says he sees no serious separation of power issue with that.
Because the law explicitly gives the legislature the power to appoint to fill vacancies and places no restrictions on what kinds of factors we can consider in the appointment process.
Commissioner Carpenter says to date there are at least 6 candidates in line for the General Sessions judgeship. Commissioners plan to appoint someone at their next meeting, January 26th.
Whomever is appointed to replace Judge Johnson will serve 2 years until the next election. For a look at the candidates, log on to our website at myfoxmemphis.com. There you'll also find statistics on the number of domestic violence homicides in Memphis and in Shelby County. In the studio, Teely Devereaux, Fox 13 News.